Barnabas Marambire manager weNyathi family vati ivo aiwa regai vachisa matomu pasi ukuwo muri kungoona guys kuti girubete watova type yedu kasi kutamba. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So vamarambire vari kuti ivo pari kudiwa munhu anoda commitment yakasimba zvachose. Ivo zvakare vanga vasiri munhu anobhadharwa vaingobatsirawo family. Saka vari kuti vasvika panguva yekuti vachiresigna post yavo. Vanyora ivo vakati, towards the end of October 2024, the most trending couple appointed me to manage their brand. My character was insulted on several platforms and praised on other platforms. It was a journey of mixed feelings. In the midst of all that, the brand grew and we achieved great things. Within a period of 3 months, the brand was transformed and we made good progress. As we began the year 2025, my attention at work grew as we embarked on new projects. Managing the Nyathi brand required a lot of work and commitment behind the scenes. So earlier this month, I informed the couple that I would no longer be able to manage full time. Yes, this was the hardest conversation to have as we had developed a father and son, father and daughter relationship. I love the couple and I believe they love me also. The entire Nyamanindi family and the Manyara family, we have become family through these kids. I spoke with Gilbert's father and mother on the phone. I could feel the love and respect between us. This is amazing. I spoke with the uncle as well. They say warm words and I love them for that. The Nyathi social media family, yellow guys family, do you know who dies Wakanyanisa? I felt it would be very proper to communicate with you also. I do hereby announce that I'm no longer the manager with Nyathi brand. I will be advising the couple whenever necessary. We have developed a strong bond that doesn't require managerial title kutitinzwane, and for the record, we worked together without any written contract, but based on mutual understanding and respect. I was not a paid manager, but managing their brand free of charge. This is purely love, and love is great. It is never easy to say goodbye, so I will say see you later. No mashoko ava Marambire vari kuti ivo vari kuda kukanda matools down vaitawo pavano kwanisa kubasa kwavo kune zvakawanda zviri kuda attention yavo, so havachakwanisi kuva vachimanya neYellow Guys brand. Tinoda kutenda zvikuru vaMarambire for helping the family nekuvaitira zvakanaka. Vaizozvigona here zvekumanage pressure muchato, kuroora, kuvaka yavo imba, kuvakirwa yavo imba actually nekuzovaka imba yevabereki. There was a lot of pressure and paitodiwa kuti pave namanager anovabatsira, asi vaMarambire vari kuti aiwa iko zvino vakudawo kuita zveupenyu hwavo. Vatendwa zvikuru. Thank you for helping the family. You did an excellent job for them. We are saved to save. Ndeve great hope avo. Organizing their wedding wasn't easy at all. You made the wedding possible and may the Lord continue to bless you and your family. History will ever always remember you, Mukoma. It is said, actually, I felt the couple was safe under your management. But as you said, you are now family. I believe you continue to guide them. I love the couple so much. Farewell was not easy, but wish you stayed a bit mambo wapusha. Vambo gona kuhendla fame. Hamusi makazira here kuvasiya vana ava. I wish dai mapedza gore navo, because ndaona vazoshaya muriritiri nokuti vasati vakura zvese mupfungwa nebusiness mind hapasati panyatsoti tsvikiti. Vanyamanindi vangoresponda nemashoko anofadza vati ivo, we say to you our beloved father, thank you for guidance to success. Thank you for loving us unconditionally and your kindness. We thank you for giving us a roof to dwell in harmony. You always lived in our hearts forever. Although we part our ways, makachikara rudo ruzivo norukudzo muhana dzedu. Mwari akuitire zvakanaka, musagume nesu chete. God bless you for your everlasting love upon us. We will always remember where we come from, everything we have been together. every unforgettable moment you have achieved for us, Dr. Chiremba. So tinoda kutenda zvachose kuti vaita basa rakanaka. Hanzi kwaunobva kanda chibuka unoenda usiku magonesa ku appreciate zvakagonekwa neumwe zvinokosha izvozvo. If you want another manager, pane vari kuti ivo vari kutoda vakatomirira mari yacho yakuitwa pa Facebook iyi munoti chamboda manager here guys. Imimi chingoso time renyu musachatsvaka vamwe manager. Handi makuziva kuti hamufaniri kungoresponda pane zvese zvinoitika pasocial media. Sometimes you just need a no comment show mobva maita madecisions ekuti brand renyu rienderere mberi. Thank you so much for watching, and please do leave your comments about Nyathi. Vaita good decision here vamarambire kusiya vana ava kana kuti dene vavasiyawo vatenga imba musanti.